I'm Christian, and I'm going to be showing you how to change the bearings on your skateboard today. To begin, you're going to need a 1/2 inch wrench and a 15mm wrench. The 1/2 inch is for the bolts on your wheels and on your trucks, and this other one's for the bolts directly on your kingpins of your trucks. We're going to start by taking off some of the wheels. For this, we're going to use the wrench and just turn on to the left. Alright, when we're done with that, the wheels will come off nice and easily. And then we can begin to take off the bearings. Now, when you do this, you don't want to get your bolts stuck in your wrench, because that can't be good. You have things called spacers in your wheels. You want to take those off and put them to the side where you won't lose them. And to take out your bearings are these red little bearings inside the wheels. And you're just going to stick them on the end of your kingpin about halfway through and pry them off as if it was a beer bottle cap. And there's one. And you're going to do the same for the other side. And always take note of which wheel goes where so that you can have the same balanced feel when you put your wheels back on your board later. So this is my front left wheel, so I'm going to put it up front and to the left with its bearings. And there we go. And then we're going to do the same thing for all 3 other wheels. When we're done with that, we're going to have all the wheels empty like this with no bearings in them. And we're going to grab our new bearings that we bought from any skate shop in town. And we're just going to stick them on right back in the wheels just as they were before. And you can just press them right on into the wheels. And then what I do to make them nice, to make sure that they're nice and in there all the way, I put it down on the wheel, or on the truck, and I press them in real nice. And now it's in there, nice and level, nice and even. Everything looks good. We're going to do the same thing on the other side of the wheel, because there's 2 bearings in each wheel. You have to make sure that you get 2 in each wheel, or else it will not work. And after that, it's working beautiful. Look at that. Alright. So I'm going to press them down a couple more times, make sure they're all even and level, because you can break some bearings if they're in there a little bit sideways. Make sure you put your spacers back on. Helps give them nice, keep them nice and loose away from the nuts, so it doesn't get caught on anything. We're just going to put the nut right back on like we took it off, going clockwise this time. These nuts have rubber stoppers at the end so that they won't come undone from the vibration of your skating, and it's very nice. Now, you don't want to put your nuts on too tightly or else your wheel won't move, so you want just a little bit of play, a little bit in your wheels so that it works real nice. Look at that, beautiful. We were perfect, ready to go skateboard. What you want to do after that, just check all your other bolts on your skateboard. Make sure they're all nice and tight, you know, nothing's moving around like it shouldn't be. Check on your trucks, you know. Make sure they're the tightness you want. Step on your board, feel it out a little bit. Should all be good. Good to go. You have all your wheels back in the same spot at this point, and you're ready to go shred the gnar. And that's it for this video. Thank you.
Hit the red, right?